Good morning, students. So already you know that we are continuing leaflet. Now another type of leaflet we will learn today, and this leaflet is also related to education. So in my last class I have talked about the leaflet related to education, but focusing mainly for the coaching center. But for this one, it is related to the school. So a little bit change will be there. Regarding information, if there are some change, so you can understand that what are the changes there. But I have made today's leaflet in a very different way. And what is that? I have changed the format. Why do? So that you can apply different types of format, different format in your leaflet. So when you get a question, what will happen? You think like which format I will follow, which pattern I will follow, then which font I can use, how can I decorate it. So I try to decorate it here. I try to put different format, different style in your leaflet. Whatever is suitable for you, whatever gets your interest, you just learn that and use that in the exam paper while you are writing the leaflet. Okay, so let's start. So already I have told it is related to education. So what are the things? Recall that should come to your mind. Number one. Name of the school, university and college. So that is the product name. So that should come at the beginning. Next one. Qualities. What are the qualities the person is getting here? Or what are the facilities the coaching class? Sorry. What are the facilities the school, university or college is offering? Third point is that board. For which board? Next one, like after the board, the main thing is that the location. And when you are writing the location, obviously the contact details also you are going to mention. Otherwise, whom the person is going to contact. So, 5 things you have to keep in mind. Focus on that. The name of the school, college or university. Second one, it is for which board. Third one, what are the qualities. Now, see, when we are talking about the board, the thing is that for the school, it is okay. For the college and universities, you don't need to mention this. Obviously, you understand. For the college and universities, board is not there. So, you don't need to mention about the board. What you can write down? There, this point that is board, you can forget about that while you are writing the college and the universities. Rather, you can mention about the courses. What are the courses offered there? Okay. Next one is that qualities. So, what are the qualities of the school, college, or the university? So, what are the important things the students will get after taking admission in that school or college or universities? Okay, so what are the facilities they will get? So that thing we have to mention. Next point is that the location. Obviously, to which area the school, college or university is located. You have to mention that. And the last point, to whom the students should contact. Okay, so these are the 5 things you have to keep in mind. Now, focus on the format, that thing I have written here. Okay. What is that? How I have written admission going on. So, now the school is taken. admission going on. For the universities also you can write down admission going on for these schools. Okay. So here admission going on, then I have put the dot. See, the size is very small because now I am going to mention the name of the school in a different font, in a different style. See, the size is bigger here. ABC school. And I try to write down in a different way so that if you just look at there, so what is the name of the product? You can easily get it. So the name of the product will be different. It has to be bigger than the other information. The font should be bigger. And the style also, it has to be different. Otherwise, the person will not notice what is that. So, if you just have a quick look of my leaflet, what is the thing that is drawing your attention? That is the name of the school. That is ABC school. So, I have written here ABC school in a bigger font, in a different style. Next one, the qualities I have written in this pattern. What are the qualities? I have mentioned here 6 qualities. Focus on that. Quality teaching. So the students will get here quality teaching. So it is talking about the teachers. So they are getting quality teaching. Friendly and supportive staff. So the school staffs are very friendly and they are very supportive. Okay. Next one is that scholarship up to 40%. Now you can tell the reduction of the fees also. So here scholarship is for the good students, they are offering some scholarship based on their result or based on the exam they are going to take. They are going to provide some scholarship, and that is up to 40%. And next one is that AC campus. So the school building is AC. Affordable and reasonable fees. So the fees is also very affordable and it's also very reasonable. Next one, affordable means what? That one can afford it. It is very close to your income. So whatever you are getting or whatever you are incoming, so it is affordable. You can get it. You can afford for that. Next one is that reasonable fees. So the fees is not very high, it is reasonable. And the next one, accommodation facility. So the school is also providing accommodation facility. So if anyone wants to stay in wants to live in that school, if they don't have any accommodation facility, accommodation is what is very convenient to pay. Like accommodation means what? A living place. So the school is providing accommodation facilities like the hostels and everything. So it is there. So if it is talking about the hostels, so accommodation facility is also there. So you don't need to worry about that. So anyone who is coming from a very far place, that person also can afford this school because the school is offering accommodation facilities, the living facility. And then the qualities I have already told now. If you don't like this, no, I just want to change it. What thing you can add? You can write down this one. That is smart classroom. So in any point you can add. That is up to you. I have not mentioned it. But if you want to mention, you can write down here. Suppose instead of scholarship, you write smart classroom. So the school is offering the students smart classroom. Okay. So in the projector and other things, they are using to take the class. To draw that attention of the students more. The students will learn more. So smart classroom. So that is the quality. So in any point you can write it down up to you. And next one is that hall. So the phone number, so I have written the phone number here, that is for the students. So if you are interested, if the parents are also interested, the students get some interest here, they can call in this number. And next one, see, I have not mentioned any name because this is not a personal number, this is for the student, this is Just write down the phone number. Call in this way. In some leaflet, you can have a look. You can see this symbol. Call at. So either you can write down call this one, or you can write down the symbol of at the rate of. So that is up to you. The way you feel comfortable, the way you want to make your leaflet more attractive. So here you can write down this way, call at this one, or simply you can just write down idea. Next one is that on which board, because it is important for the school. So for CBSE board, okay, for ICSE board, for West Bengal board. So you are just changing it according to the criteria of the school. So the board, if the board is for West Bengal, you can write down West Bengal board. If it is for ICSE, write down ICSE. If it is for CBSE, write down CBSE. So the board should be mentioned. Understood? See in the box, I try to write down the board. And next one is the address. Already I have told the location. So the location is important. So the address also is important here. You have to mention the address. Okay? So the address at the bottom I have written. This is the address. 13/2 NGO Kolkata, pin code. Understood? So that is a totally different pattern you are seeing here. Okay? Now, these 6 information what I have written in this way, you can write it down in the box. You can write it down in the circle. So that is totally up to you. So this pattern I have followed. Okay? Now I am writing the question, focus on that. The question can be prepare a leaflet for a newly opened school leaflet for XYZ college. Now, prepare a leaflet for, so 2 questions, focus on 2 questions here. Number 1, prepare a leaflet for XYZ college. Prepare a leaflet for a newly opened school in your locality. So there are 2 questions. Now the way you are writing the leaflet for XYZ college, in the same way if you not write down the leaflet for this school, there should be difference. Why? Because for the college you don't need to mention about the board, but for the school, board is mandatory. For the college you have to mention about the courses the college is offering. Suppose the BA course or BSc course or BCom, whatever the courses are there, you have to mention. But for the school, it is not that you have to write down the board, and you can, if you want to write down, you can write down special care for class or for the students who will appear the board. Special care. So, totally different thing you are mentioning here. Next one, for this college, the scholarship system is mandatory. For the school, scholarship system is not that much mandatory. In that case, you can write down smart class for the school. And here you can write down the scholarship up to this. Okay. So obviously when you are writing the leaflet for the college and when you are preparing leaflet for the school, there should be some difference. And see, for this one it is a newly opened school, but this one a newly opened college. Okay, so we think about these differences and try to practice leaflet at home. Okay, and again and again I'm telling, when you are making the leaflet, you have to draw the box. You have to draw the leaflet in the box, and you can use the whole paper if you want. If you don't want, you can use the half paper. But don't make the leaflet very short one. Don't make it very clumsy. If you want to write down some quotation here, you can also write down. How you can write it down? Suppose I don't have any place here, so it will be very clumsy if I write down some quotation. But what if you write down? If you want to make some quotation, how can you write it down? Make a circle and write it down. Knowledge is power. So, see, it is not mandatory because I don't have space also for that. If I have a whole paper, so I will take a lot of space. So for that purpose, I will write down here, knowledge is power. You can draw some sun, the sun is rising. You can use some color pencil also when you are writing the leaflet to make it more attractive. So here you are just drawing the sun is rising, and inside the sun you can write down knowledge is power. So suppose I am taking the sun here. The sun is rising. So it is not looking beautiful because I don't have a space. If I have a lot of space, then I can draw this. Okay, how? And this we will read these two questions. Then you can see how I draw this. Suppose I am taking a lot of space. I am taking a lot of space. So the space is also here. A lot of spaces. So what can I do? So one thing I can do. Suppose a boy is reading a book, and you can draw a book here, and you can write down here, suppose inside the sun, and more than that, and inside that you can write down knowledge is so I'm a very good artist. So if you just say, look at my art, you just laugh at that. Okay, what man is drawing here? No. So I'm just showing you the pattern. Okay. So suppose a boy is reading, and there is a book, and it is written, knowledge is power. Or you have drawn the sun is rising in the sky. Okay. So just think about that. Sun is there. The sun is rising, and inside the sun I'm just writing that knowledge is power. Okay. So on the motto of the school, you can write it down. Okay. So anything, or if you don't want to write down the boy, just write down the book. Draw a book here. You are drawing a book. Suppose if it is the book. Suppose if it is a book, page is there, and you are writing the message. Understood? So that is totally up to you. You can just draw a sun and write down knowledge is power, or you can just draw a book and write down the message here. So the way you feel good, you can draw it. See, another thing, I have drawn a star here and I have given qualification. So it is important. See, this thing is a common thing. You can use it for the restaurant, you can use it for the coaching center, you can use it for the school also, and you can use it for the person cards. Whatever the questions are coming, you can mention this. This is the common thing, quality assured. That means you are maintaining the quality. Okay, so I have written it here, and I am trying to make the page full. Okay, so when you are drawing the leaflet, when you are writing the leaflet, you can put some picture, you can put some drawing. You can use different color pencil also. So if I had different color pencil, so I will have drawn this in a different way, or I can underline it in a different way. If I have the different chalks here, so you have the scope try to use that. So I have already given two questions.